So our new room of Punto Fuego is with complete ambience. Yan, maganda. Sayang lang we didn't catch the sunset. So this is the beautiful peninsula of Punto Fuego. And just on my left side is the world-class infinity pool, and on top is where I'm gonna meet Berna. Yes, this room even has an attic on top where Cole will be sleeping tonight. So we're going to check out Berna where she's having her cocktails. So let me show you again the infinity pool. Infinity pool. Yes, very quiet. And you'll be looking at the beach and enjoying the sunset while swimming. Talaga, super nice. So let's just walk. And at night, it looks very, very romantic with all the lights. Ah, Berna, nag-iisa ka dyan. Nag-iisa ka dyan, Berna. Hindi ka ba malungkot? Wala ako? Ha? Hindi ka ba malungkot na wala ako dyan sa tabi mo? Oh, yes. Ganda. Ganda ng ambience mo, Berna. No, should I join you for a drink? Okay. May peanuts pa. So again, the highlight of this very beautiful resort is the infinity pool. Yun nga lang, tapos na yung sunset. Yan, ganyan siya kaganda, oh. Cliff yan. Diyan bumabagsak yung sun. So you can just imagine, right before the sunset, you are there staring at the sunset itself. Ayan, ayan yung paborito kong kapitan, bumababa, oh. Yan si kapitan ng restaurant and bar. Yes, this is total ambience. That's our San Diego restaurant, and this is where we chill out every time we come here for the sunset here at Club or Peninsula de Punto Fuego. Thank you for watching.